Hey, don't judge me and pretend like you don't use Harbor Freight tools too. Today we're going to put together the cheapest cherry picker and engine stand from Harbor Freight and see if we can get the engine out of this Subaru. I'm impressed so far with this. The fit and the finish it's better than I expected, and the welds look pretty good. This actually has a glitter paint to it. Not that it matters, but it's kind of nice, I suppose, kind of like a bass boat. The wheels seem to be okay. Has a 3-ton cylinder, some grade 5 bolts that look fine. The welds are looking good over here on this assembly. It's not too scratched up out of the box. So far so good. Let's see if we can get it assembled. The worst part, to be honest, was getting the inside nuts down here for these caster wheels, but that was a minor inconvenience. I'm missing a lock nut. Missing a lock nut for this nut, and it is mildly aggravating to figure out which bolts go where, but there is a guide in the manual. These pins, you can pull these pins right here, and these arms will fold up for storage. So far, for $200, so far so good. Let's get the engine stand together. Got our engine stand together. This was a little cheesy. Overall it's pretty good. These are adjustable, so as you put your engine in, you would tighten it down. It rotates freely. Has multiple spots right here where you can lock it down. The welds are really better than I expected. The wheels move freely. These clips I'm not thrilled about right here, but that's all right. It's just a minor thing. It has one bolt with no nut, and it goes right here because it's a welded caged nut right there, or it's a welded nut on the inside of that frame. That's actually really helpful. I wish this had welded nuts on the inside. That would have been a little easier. This was mildly aggravating, trying to figure out which bolt goes where. I think at the end of the day, as long as they fit and you get some threads on them, it doesn't really matter. Like this one sticks out farther than this one. Those might be backwards. I do like the storage. Most of them always have it. The jack seems to work quite well. It's not fast, but it's not slow. So as you extend this arm to reach farther into the engine bay, you lose pickup capacity. So you want to be able to scooch this in as close as you can. I think this little itty bitty 4-cylinder aluminum engine, I could put it on the very end and we will be just fine. Good morning, everybody. It's cold. Worked literally all night last night. I didn't sleep. I'm hoping to get this thing out. I'm down to one bolt.
Success!
Well, the motor's in. How'd the Harbor Freight engine hoist and stand do? Well, they definitely outperformed their price point. Could you do better with a whole lot more money? Probably, but you know what? The job's done, and the tools alone were only 300 bucks. I'd call this a win. Thanks for watching.